What's up, guys? 3 stocks that I'm watching for the upcoming 2 to 3 weeks. Reason I say 2 to 3 weeks is because I am not sure when exactly they will hit. Potentially it would actually hit this week or early next week, but I don't know. So that's why I'm gonna say potentially within the next 2 weeks. First, to my HUMBL fans, I don't know if you guys watched the thing today. I did, and let's watch it together. I mean, first of all, subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Press that bell notification if you guys want to be notified every time I post a video. And let's get into it. And also leave some comments below as to what you think or whatever you want to say in regards to what I just posted. But look, I have 3 of them because I use it to light up my my screen so that you guys can see me. Oh wow. But yeah, this is it. Look, get ready. And it's only 2 minutes. You would have thought this was a trim, like a highlight, but this was literally the whole interview. No hate on HUMBL. I mean, I hope that, you know, we all capitalize on this and this actually makes a bunch of us millionaires. But Jesus, man, when I saw that this was only a 2-minute like interview, I was like, wow, like all confidence lost. But as you guys know, actually, let's watch the video first.
So I think, you know, you're going to see really curated verticals coming online. I think, to Brian's point at Coinbase, and by the way, congratulations to those guys, big day for digital assets. I think, you know, what you'll see in the space is you have sort of these, you know, theme park versus gallery moments where, to Brian's point, you know, there's going to be a lot of proliferation of these ideas and how people get access to them. And then over time, I think, you know, the artists, the athletes, even large media companies will start to consolidate that behavior into kind of one click for the customer in a way that they can get a sense of price discovery, what the market's going to be worth, and how people want to package their lifetime catalogs of content. I think it's a really exciting space, and we intend to package it up well for the customer.
So Brian, we're going to show a couple of your NFTs. I know one of them that you're really highlighting is one for MLB All-Star Nelson Cruz. You have other sports figures like the Packers, Aaron Rodgers, the Cowboys, Dak Prescott.
He should get into like basketball.
Sense of where you see this NFT craze going, and do you see it mostly growing in the sports field, or are there other places where NFTs can see a similar boom?
Yeah, I mean, I think, you know, again, we're starting to experiment with ideas. So, you know, nothing set in stone with who we're working with and how, but, you know, we're exploring ideas that we're proposing to customers and to athletes and to artists and so on. So I think for us, we're, you know, in a spot where the market will discover where it wants to be. And if we can package that really well in a way that the artist and the athlete says, yeah, that's something I want to be a part of, or media companies start to see a second life at the box office for things, you know, that's already cataloged, like movies or...
That's not for HUMBL, just so you guys know. It's non-fungibles in general.
To create new markets beyond stocks and bonds for trading on the blockchain. So it's a really exciting time, and we intend to package it well so that you can move from a hype cycle into something that's lasting and meaningful for creators and anyone who's a producer of content.
All right, yeah, that's it. That was literally it. And like when he first said it, like if you just look at like his prior posts or whatever, he's like, you know, excited to be appearing live on CNBC tomorrow between 2 to 3 EST. I thought it was going to be the whole hour. This thing was 2 minutes, and I was like, damn, this is a joke. But as you guys may know, if you guys are in HUMBL, this is what we did today, where we went sky high after, with yesterday. So yesterday we pumped up. We continue pumping up into today. Hit a high of 357, and this was during the interview. Boom. Jesus Christ, bro. I was so green, and then all of a sudden I like died. But we see some sign of life over here. Hopefully we could get above this supply level. As you can see, it has rejected multiple times. If you guys don't know what supply and demand is, make sure that you guys follow me. I'll put some, and if you guys are interested, comment below that you're interested in a supply and demand video, and I will try my best to do a video on it as precise as possible. I think I already have one, but it's not the best, so I could redo another one for you guys. So yeah, about that's HUMBL. Now let's move on to the 3 stocks that I'm watching for the upcoming week. So APPS, really watching this one. Today we got like a market retracement, and with this, I think we could potentially hit my entry target, which is around the $78 level. Very, very nice setup. Wish I got into it to play this little spike. Ended up getting in, and right now I'm currently down, but I also posted in my chat that I'm eyeing an entry if we do get down to 78. Anyone that plays APPS, you guys know that there's a huge like swing that I've never, well, not that I've never seen before, but this thing swings up and down a lot. So a 10% move within a day is pretty easy. Again, we rejected off supply and we're headed back down. Market's going down as well. Hopefully we get some, we get a little more momentum downwards, and we could hit this demand level that I have, the 75.8, sorry, not 78, the 75.8 level, which is confluent with demand and also the bottom of the triangle for ABCDE, Elliott wave retracement. So I sent my alert. Hopefully we get around that level. I'll probably get in around the 78 level and add around the 75 for a month out for my options. Again, not financial advice. Whatever you do, it's on you. This is what I am going to take, and you know, make sure you do your own due diligence. But this is my top watch. I think I love to trade companies that I am confident in as well, just in case I want to exercise it. When I used to trade equities back then, this was a great way of, if I do have a losing trade and I do believe in the company, I could just leave my money in there and let it grow. But this is one of the trades that I'm watching. I think we have a long way to go for APPS. Next one we got is RIOT. A lot of you guys like RIOT. So we just bounced off a demand level at the 49.43. I do think we have more downside. And again, if I go here, oh shoot, my bathtub faucet is leaking. Yeah, I was fixing my bathroom prior to this. RIOT, we have a lot of puts. If you guys have the luck of watching this today or maybe tomorrow, the price for calls or puts is going up, and not because we want to raise the price on you guys. Again, like I said, it's really just because Oprah's raising their fees on us, so we have to make sure that we cover ourselves as well. But anyways, RIOT, as you can see here, someone took puts for 51 spot price 51.50, which means that they got in at that price when it was at that price. And you know, obviously afterwards it dropped, and now we're at 50.16. We bounced back after hours. But Coinbase IPO was today. People are assuming that it's because of that these are coming back down. I'm not too sure, but I trade supply and demand, and what I'm seeing is that we could potentially, again, we have a pennant, we could potentially hit this $46 level, which is confluent with supply again, supply and demand. This is a demand level. So I think that if we hit this level, it's confluent with the triangle play, and we should break out from there, hopefully. Again, not financial advice. However, the only thing that worries me is that we have volume coming in over here, and it's on a down move. So, but then again, we also have some green volume over here. So let's take it with a grain of salt and see what happens. See what happens as we unfold. But here we do have rising volume on the way down into demand, which means that there is absorption potentially over here. We could get a bounce here, but I like to wait for my trades to play out, especially since I got murdered recently with my puts. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if we could get here to the 46 level, low risk, high reward trade. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we have this, which is RIOT, and my last but not least, Tesla. So Tesla had a huge run. I still think Tesla's a super solid company, and I think we are gonna hit 1,000 by the end of this year. Hopefully, is a millionaire making stock, and I do think we have a lot of potential. But before we have another move up, I do think that we need some sort of retracement, and I think the perfect level for this retracement would be around this area at the 708, 709 level. which is near a psychological whole number 700 support, and also a back test of this ascending triangle breakout right here. So that's what I'll be eyeing. I think the psych level will be amazing. Hopefully it plays out in my way, but let's see what happens. I don't know why though, but recently Tesla hasn't really been giving, like, even with huge moves, it hasn't been giving the amount of percentage gain that I would like. Like usually back then when I used to play it, like a freaking $5 to $10 move with 2 weeks out would still give you 100%. But recently it seems like even though it goes up, you know, 10, 15, 20%, it only gives you like maybe 100, 150. But Ivy seems like it's normal. I don't know what exactly is causing it, but it is what it is. And yeah, so those are the 3 top stocks I am watching. And again, if you haven't checked out callsorputs.com, make sure you go check it out, because prices are increasing on April 15th, which is tomorrow. And after tomorrow, the prices will be going up. We have a lot of new functions coming, like a watch list function. We have earnings and news coming in. But secure your cheap price. You will be grandfathered in to this cheap price as long as you remain subscribed, and you won't have to pay the more expensive price. Currently it's $50 a month, $135 quarter, and I believe $500 for the year. We are going to raise the price to $65 a month, which is probably going to be around, let's say maybe $180 for a quarter, or $170, and probably around $600 for the $650 for the year. So take advantage of it. Again, you don't need to. This platform is actually bad for you if you are a beginner trader. If you're a beginner trader, it will not do you too well, because it's used as a confirmation tool. It's not there to tell you what trades to take. If you are interested in alert systems, then we do have chance trades. If you want to just follow the trades I take, you could just go to chancetrades.com, scroll down, and choose a plan that you like. So again, like I said, full transparency, we have a Discord server. If you want, join it. A lot of new members are coming in, and it's free. If you want to just come chill, live chat is free, where I trade live, or you could come and ask questions and we'll answer them. Alerts today, if you check it out, 26, we played SPY calls and SPY puts, 26%, 44%. We had a 10%, a minus 15, plus 78% for a SPY put. We caught it right at the top, and we've been talking about this the whole time. If you guys follow me on stock twits or whatever, look at the watch list I put up. But let me see what I said prior. Right here, watch SPY near the 413.8 level for puts, retracement to 411.62, and that was posted at what time? 9:56. So SPY, we hit 413.96 and we retraced to 411.62. Look at that. That's perfect retracement. And that's called supply and demand. So if you want to learn, click the mentorship, apply for that, or just join our chat if you just want alerts, and we'll make it work for you. Again, look at APPS, watching that. If you go and check me out on stock twits, I also posted that on SPY. Oh yeah. $411 potentially coming today, nearest demand, super small retracement play, and we came back down. So come join us. We're here to help, and thank you guys for tuning in. Oh, Roblox. Oh wait, did I show you guys Roblox? RBLX. Look, another one. 138. Our member just brought it up. Roblox golden sweep. It banked so hard. Blah blah blah. This is what happened today. RBLX. Someone took a put at 79.16 at 9:51 in the morning, and boom, this was 10:15. 10 o'clock, 9:50. and boom, we just drop and we continue dropping, and it's currently at 75 from a 79. So that was a huge profit for the guy. Again, thank you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment what you guys want to see, and I'll try my best to do so. Thank you. Have a good one.